गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों। सो हमने वाइल लूप में प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट किया है जिसमें 1 से 5 लाइक वी हैव टू प्रिंट फ्रॉम 1 to 5 एंड 5 to 1 प्रिंट किया है। तो एक और प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट करते हैं, प्रिंट नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to n। सो 1 to n इट मीन्स n विल बी टेकन बाय यूज़र। सो पाइथन में जब भी हमें कुछ इनपुट लेना है तो हमें यूज़ करना होगा इनपुट फंक्शन। ओके, input is a function and in which you can mention here a text message like जो prompt पे like it will be displayed to the user. Okay, so I said enter a number. Okay, and this will give me the number in a string format. ये ध्यान रखिएगा हमेशा। So it will return the number in as a string format. Okay, so that number will be whatever you type, it will be taken as a string. Okay, so Python में अगर मैं कहूँ ये number है and this will be a string. Okay, so we need to convert this, we need to make this format into this one. So it means we have to typecast it. Okay, so for that I have to use the int function. It will convert that into integer and after that I have to, जैसा हमने while loop में बात किया, we have to set some start point, then while we have to set the variable and what will be my end point, it will be n. Okay, and it must be less than equals to. Okay, and then it will be print x and here it will be x equals to x plus 1. So this will be simply incremented from 1 2 3 4 like that. Okay, in place of this you can use this line also. It is x plus equals to 1. So what it denotes the same concept. So here it is will be like, इसको कैसे define करेंगे, take the value of x, make an increment of 1 and assign that value to x again. This is a simple formula. Okay, let's run this and see the effect. It says want to save, yes. Okay, and here it is, if I give suppose 10, so this is a customized code by which you can print the numbers from 1 to n. Okay, you can take one more, like if I do F5 again, F5 is used for executing. If I say 25, it will display me all the numbers up to 25. Okay, so as a homework you have to do the dry run for n equals to suppose 5, and if you want to like check the dry run, you can check the previous video in which I explained this thing for dry run for n. Okay, now can we convert this code into like display numbers from 1 to n, then can we convert it into n to 1? Yes, obviously. So just post me in the comment for that one, like print numbers from 1 to n. That is be done. Okay, sorry, it is n to 1. Okay, so post me that code in a comment, and if you have any doubt, any query on this one, drop me in a comment. Okay, so let's do one more problem statement, print all, suppose let's do for odd numbers from 1 to n. So like obviously I am using this one, so I will simply copy it here. Okay, and before moving to this one I have to comment it. Comment क्यों कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि ये फिर वापस से execute हो जाएगा and it will ask me first for this one and then it will process this one. वो मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ, तो यहाँ पे मैं क्या करूँगा, print all odd numbers from 1 to n. नोटिस करें स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट क्या है 1, एंडिंग पॉइंट क्या है n, इंक्लूडिंग n. ओके, इंक्लूडिंग n. अगर मैं यहाँ पे लेस देन ही लगाऊंगा, इक्वल नहीं लगाऊंगा, तो आई विल यूज n प्लस 1 हियर. ओके, एंड व्हाट विल बी द स्टेप साइज हियर. अगर मैं कहता हूँ ऑड नंबर, तो ऑब्वियसली मेरा यहाँ पे 2 आएगा क्योंकि मैं इस 1 में 2 ऐड करना चाह रहा हूँ, दैट्स वाई. ओके, let's do, I want to display all odd numbers from 1 to 10. So it will be 1 3 5 7 9. That is simplest one. Okay, और अगर मैं कहूँ इसी में आपको like even number print करना है, तो यहाँ पे आप you can start by 0 and it will be there. So for even numbers, if I have to set only the start point, and look at that, it will be for the even numbers. Here I am considering 0 as a even. Okay, yeah, thank you, keep learning, keep coding. एंड while लूप के लिए देखना है तो इससे पहले वाला वीडियो ज़रूर देखें, ठीक है, थैंक यू।